after stomach, there is also one specific type of organ found that is new for you, gallbladder. Then stomach continue with the small intestine, and finally small intestine continue with the large intestine, and large intestine connect with rectum, and finally the last organ is anus. So these are the organs that are going to participate in the nutrition process and that are the part of the digestive system or alimentary canal. So now we are going to discuss what are the glands that are going to participate. First of all, what do you mean by glands, or what is the difference between organs and glands? So glands are also a kind of organ only. The difference is that few organs are going to secrete something. ऐसे ऑर्गन्स जो किसी ना किसी चीज को सीक्रेट कर रहे हैं, चाहे तो उसमें से कोई हार्मोन सीक्रेट हो रहा है या कोई एंजाइम सीक्रेट हो रहा है, then that kind of organs are known as glands. फिर से सुन लीजिए, the organs that are going to secrete any kind of secretion. अगर किसी भी ऑर्गन से कोई भी सिक्रेशन सीक्रेट हो रहा है बॉडी में, either it is of hormone or it is of enzyme, that type of organs are known as the glands. So we are going to discuss here that what are the glands that are going to participate in the digestive system, because in digestion process we all are aware that there is the requirement of the enzymes. तो जब डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में डाइजेशन प्रोसेस में एंजाइम की रिक्वायरमेंट है, इसका मतलब उसमें कुछ ग्लैंड्स भी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे होंगे. Who is it? Glands of alimentary canal. The first gland is salivary gland. सबको पता है salivary glands के बारे में. 3 pair of salivary glands found in our buccal cavity of mouth. All of you are aware. 3 pair salivary gland present होते हैं buccal cavity में, that are going to secrete saliva. तो यहाँ देखिए कोई ना कोई सीक्रेशन सीक्रेट हो रहा है, that's why salivary glands को क्या बोला गया है? ग्लैंड्स बोला गया है, इसको ऑर्गन में नहीं रखा गया. Second organ that is going to secrete something and considered as the largest gland, that is the liver. Don't be confused about it. Liver is also considered as organ, but it behaves just like a gland. So liver is known as the largest gland of the body. लिवर को क्या बोला गया है? लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड ऑफ द बॉडी. नाउ द थर्ड ग्लैंड्स दैट आर फाउंड इन स्टमक आर गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड्स. गैस्ट्रिक ग्लैंड्स दैट आर फाउंड इन स्टमक. फोर्थ वन इज पैनक्रियास that is found at below side of stomach. I will draw the diagram as well. diagram से आपको क्लियर करूंगी क्या क्या पोजीशन है सारे ऑर्गन्स की और ग्लैंड्स कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं. अभी फ्लो चार्ट की फॉर्म में इसीलिए बता रही हूँ, that will be easy for you. And these all things are present in the notes. आप लोगों ने बनाए होंगे, आपको सब कुछ उसमें मिला होगा, so there is no need to write anything. Just focus on what I am going to explain you. So pancreas is the gland that is found below the stomach. After pancreas, there are few glands found in the intestine as well, that are known as the intestinal glands. Intestinal glands. So these are the glands and organs that compile together and form a system that is known as the digestive system, and these all work in the collaboration to perform the process of nutrition. Hope so. Clear to all of you? Okay. So I am going to draw a rough diagram of the alimentary canal, so you once aware about the position of these organs. Fine. After that I will start the nutrition process in human.